Because at works inside the place. Yes, indeed, no disgrace. Of course, arise, my people, arise, and of course, do remember that a chapter a day keep all evil away and the vampires away. Yeah, so much negativity going on in the world today that I respect the matter that, of course, at works, deliver to the public. Simple. Strive for excellence to uplift each other. We melt away negativity, and what we do, promote positivity. That's why we are here today to promote and, of course, to introduce. Of course, first of all, we're going to be introducing and promoting the big liquor man inside the place, and of course, Jabari, and of course, he's the CEO and I think the director of course, More Life, of course, Coconut Water. He's here with us, and he's also a writer and all of that. A man with lots of caps. Yeah, we're going to welcome the brother in fine style. Welcome to Artworks from Virgin. Yeah, man.
Bless,
Cool.
bless.
Manners
bless,
every
bless,
time.
bless.
See? And of course, you are, of course, the CEO, am I correct?
Yes, the CEO.
Of More Life,
Yeah.
and also a writer for several books.
True.
Yeah,
True.
and you're here with us, of course, to highlight, to promote your stuff.
Most definitely.
Yes, so we're going to be asking you a little question before we go into the beat of the matter. Persons out here seeing you for the first time, you're here second time around
Trust me.
on Artworks. Yeah, it's not the first time you're here with us, the second time around on Artworks. We don't work with two, so you have to come back another time. See, we don't work with two around here.
Trust me,
So you
trust
have to
me.
come back another time. Yes, indeed. Just a little about Jabari. Who is Jabari?
Well, Jabari, is here in Portland. My family, is the person that's run Mecca.
Make your
Mecca
water.
Water. My uncle Ayman.
Mhm.
And I'm here, been here in Portland. I love Portland, especially Buff Bay, for the past 3 years.
3 years.
And I like you stated before, I'm an author. I write books. I have a Jamaican dictionary
Mhm.
that's out called Jabari's Authentic Dictionary of the
Yes.
Jamic language.
Mhm.
And I have other books. I have one called Chronicles of a Hard Stepper. But right now I'm trying to concentrate on my CEO position of, the company that I just started, the Coconut Water Company.
Coconut water thing, yeah.
Yeah.
Coconut water is a really good thing.
Very good, very
Very,
good.
very good thing for your art.
Yes.
My grandmother always said good for your art and all of that.
Trust me,
Good
trust
to
me.
flush out the system and all of those stuff.
Yeah, so I call
Very,
it,
very good.
yeah, so you see, I call the company More Life.
More life. I like that name, because life is lovely,
Yeah,
and we have to
definitely.
give thanks to life every time. Life
Mhm.
is great.
Mhm.
Of course, Jabari, the name Jabari, where did that word derive from?
Well,
Name derive from?
Jabar is Ethiopian, Ethiopian word for brave.
For brave.
Yeah, it means brave.
Why you really look brave at you?
Well-
You look brave, brave.
Well, it's not just brave in the sense of, fighting or anything like that. Just brave in the sense of, doing things.
yeah.
Doing things. You're not as afraid to take
Do
challenges.
something,
Do something.
do something.
Do something.
Yeah.
That's
Just
what the
like
bravery is in my terminology.
Yeah. It's in your blood, in
Yeah,
your genes.
to do business.
Yeah.
And like I said, I started this coconut water company here in Portland. And I was just want to give a little shout out to Georgie Pete, because he was the place. That was the first place that I
Okay. Start the promotion.
He's the first person that took it in the store.
And market and sales.
Yeah, and now it's in Shoppers Pride.
Mhm.
It's in the Epping gas station in Port Anthony. It's in the Texaco gas station in Port Anthony. And we just got it in the two juicy beefs, juicy patty.
Okay, because that good to drink with the party, and
Yeah.
after you eat your juicy beef, then we just suck down a More Life and all
Yeah,
that
yeah,
and feel nice.
And I just want to let
Yeah.
the public know that only thing we do with our coconut water, why it's
Yeah.
selling so good, is that we buy it mostly from the farmers in Orange Bay, because
Cool.
we support the small farmers.
Mhm.
And only thing we do is cut it, strain it, and bottle it.
Only thing you do, cut it,
Strain it and bottle it.
and bottle it.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, and I
okay,
also
okay.
have a partner, he's called Shane.
Mhm.
He's in the new scheme, so it's not just me. Because I say one man can walk far, but together you can walk farther.
Yeah,
Some have a brethren when me and him work together.
one
so,
and watch it another.
yeah, so
huh?
you can't think about yourself. So you have to have somebody for work
can't
with.
be
And I have to
selfish.
give him a special
You
shout
can't
out.
be selfish.
Can work with me.
With that note, Jabari doesn't stop here. Where, what your mother called?
Huh?
What your mother called?
in terms of
Your biological name. What did your mother
well,
give
she
you?
gave me a Christian name, which is Dennis, and me takes a Dennis.
Dennis the menace.
Dennis is a menace, so I never too like
Dennis,
Dennis, because
yeah.
say Dennis is a menace.
Dennis is the menace, man.
But
Dennis.
so I
He's a menace to society.
yeah, so so I go with Jabari.
So
you know.
Dennis Jabari.
Yeah, Dennis Jabari Reynolds are the last one.
Oh, Mr. Reynolds. I
Yeah.
mean, Reynolds, they used to say Reynolds as a rich people.
Yeah, but I trace Reynolds, and trace it to some, I don't want to sound off key, but I trace my name Reynolds to some white people in England called Lord Reynolds, and I don't want nobody have no Lord over
Well,
my name.
you're correct, you know. You're correct for the first time for me
You know.
in the naming thing.
Yeah.
Because I see most of it,
Yeah.
we're free from the shackles and the chain we're off our hand, but we still hold on the names.
Yes.
You see the names that we have?
Yeah.
A white man name, the brand new see the name that say we're a slave for that man, so then give them name.
True, very
So therefore
true.
we have to be very careful of the fact of your name nowadays, you know?
Definitely.
We have to try and change our name. Because, Mr. China, Mr. Wang, and Mr. Young, and then can change their name to China.
True, very
But
true.
we cannot change and trace our name to Africa. We have to trace it back to European, the colonial thing. The colonial stuff, we need to get that out of our system.
Well, you see, the colonial masters did what they had to do, but it's just like I meet a lot of females that's having like sons and daughters, and I always advise them, rename your child.
Yeah,
Give
man.
the child a name that has a meaning,
Yeah,
even if
man.
you have to create the own meaning, you know.
You
So
see that name Jabari,
Yeah.
man, that's a nice name. I like that name there.
very-
It's come from Jabari.
the creator,
Jabari, good name.
creator.
Don't let them take with the name from the eye.
Would never do
You
that.
better take with the Ronald and the minister and just put on the Jabari alone for your birth certificate and say, Jabari, I. You
Yeah,
know,
I
or
go through the
something
changes
like
of
that.
making it official, you know. I make it
Yes,
official.
sir, official, you know. Because I like the name there, and of course I like your production. So and the water is really I really take life right now, and you need more life and to take life. You know?
Yes, more life.
Yeah, and you say you're distributing to lots of supermarkets and Beef Life, Patty Place, and all of those places.
Yeah, most of it is in like Port Antonio and Buff Bay. So I have to give the respect to the Buff Bay people who, when we started out right by the bus stop.
And the bus stop.
At the bus stop, in the bus stop under the shed by the
Wow.
Port Antonio bus stop, and everybody say,
I eat this.
it's
I'm
something
like
good.
it.
So we try to, and someone said take it to Georgia Pete's, you'll take it, come support small businesses. And I took it to Mr. Pete, and him say yeah. And then I went to Shoppers Pride with it. My partner took it to Shoppers Pride,
Wow,
and them say yes.
I like that.
You know,
I like
so
that.
you have to
I like
have
that.
you have to make something happen. You can't just sit back and say.
I'm proud of
"Nothing
you
now go on."
as a Rasta man or an African or a black man, because it's not just the color make you be a black man,
True.
Because you might can brown and your shades don't say anything, you're still a black man. And I like when you take it up there. That was say do something. I like when you do something. Some people sit at home and say nothing now go on. Where did the concept came from for you to start this business?
Well, as I said before, when I came here, I went to this festival called Fiwisin Thing.
Yeah, for something.
And I had a picture of sorrel and coconut water, and I was selling it out of cups.
Out of cups.
Yeah, and some people say it tastes good. Why don't you bottle it?
Oh, just like that.
Just like that. So
Just
I
like
come up with the idea and say, I'm going to bottle it, and we'll drive to Kingston, we'll buy a bottle, we'll buy labels, we'll come back and bottle it and start. It was on the first day on the road, we're going to make like about $25.
$25
For the first day on the road, and it was,
Never give up.
we say we give up.
Can't give up. Man.
And it keeps on growing with the love of the people, because like I said, if you have a good product, it's quality.
Yes, it's quite.
But once you have quality, people will come and buy your product.
Exactly.
No matter how small it is.
And you have to know how to market it and
that's
promote it
and
also.
promote it also.
Because digital start from a little thing, and we're right now one of the biggest thing.
Yes.
So I like that. Right now, more live art, because they on art wax. Art for the market, see, art wax, sell out, more vibes. Of course, we're going to be taking a small weenie break. And of course, when we come back, when you come forward, not back, we're going to be talking about a little bit more about the water and about your book. All right?
Okay, yes.
Yeah, Jabari inside the building. Make sure you stay locked to Art Wax, see, with your therapy, Ken Solomon, the Blessed One. This part of the program brought to you by Portland Cooperative Credit. Tune in, moving ahead and serving you and you and you better. Even picking it in a prom.